Silver against US dollar. This week has lost its value. We can see the price has started the week here, forming this bearish breakout, and the price continued to fall down all the way to the next support level, very close to 28.62. And from here the price is bouncing back up, formed this bullish candle, and on a Friday trying to make a bullish breakout above 29.62, but this was not manageable. On the weekly time frame, we can see that currently we have a bullish candle formed here at a very important support level, and the price is currently between this area of resistance and between this support level. Month has just started. We can see the previous month has closed as a bearish candle, reaching the area of support here, and currently the price has bounced back up. How the price will behave this month, we'll see. The daily time frame will show much more clear information. Now we can see that the price is between 30.59 and 28.62, very important support and resistance levels. So it is very important to see how the price will behave around this area, which will define how the price will behave. For now, I'm waiting for a clean breakout for the price to see how the price will go in any of the directions, and especially on the lower time frame, where I share the details with the traders inside the premium analysis. We'll see how the price will behave from bearish or bullish breakouts around this area of important support and resistance levels. For now, I'm waiting outside and see how the price will behave and wait for a clean direction. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.